Hi everyone, I am going to be showing you how to sync your OneDrive to your computer. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the search bar next to your start menu and just type in OneDrive. You'll see that a few options pop up, but the one that you will want to choose is the OneDrive desktop app. It asks you for your email address, so go ahead and put in your Bowdoin Wallace University email address. Then it asks you personal or work or school. Choose work or school. Now it prompts you for your password, so you can go ahead and enter that. And here it just shows you where your OneDrive folder is located. You can click next. And this pops up for me because I've been practicing this, but it should not pop up for you. And now it's asking if you would like to sync your OneDrive files to this PC. Since I have previously used OneDrive, there are some things that I can bring over to this PC if I choose to do so. And I will. But if you would not like to do that, you can always deselect this and you don't have to bring anything over. You can also choose to bring over something very specific. If you just want to sync one document, then you can do that here, one file. But I am actually going to bring over my whole physical geography folder. And that's just a mini tutorial. All right. So now we are syncing, and just to show you, if you go to File Explorer, that is how you can get to your OneDrive folder. So as you can see over here, I have my OneDrive folder, and my physical geography folder as well has carried over. All of these green check marks just mean that it is syncing and everything is up to date. Now by up to date, I mean that you can take these documents that you have brought over from your OneDrive and you can edit them on your computer. I'll just scroll down here and I'm just going to put this here to show you that you can add to these documents, and since you are working in the OneDrive synced document, when you go to save this, as you can see up here, there's that little sync icon by your save button. That means that this will sync up to your OneDrive, and when you open this from other avenues with your OneDrive, say you log in from the internet or your OneDrive application, this document will be updated there as well. And I'll just show you really quick. There are my tests. Now, you should know that these files are not on your computer. These are your backups from your OneDrive. So if you were to decide to unsync yourself from the computer, these files will go away. If you would like to make a hard copy on your computer or a backup copy, you can just copy it and go to your documents and paste it. And there you have a copy now on your desktop rather than just to your OneDrive. For this, if you edit this, it will not update to your OneDrive. That's why I personally recommend that if you are going to be continuously working on something, you work on it from here, because these will then be backed up and updated to the most recent copy in your OneDrive. And once you finalize everything, then maybe you can put that backup copy in your documents for future use if you need it. Alright, and now that I've showed you how to do that, I will just really quickly show you how to save something to your OneDrive. We'll make another Word document. And we will just call it testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can save this directly to your OneDrive folder, and that way it will be on your OneDrive. Every time you work on it, it will automatically update, and the most recent version will always be saved to your OneDrive, like I told you before. But for the purpose of showing you another way to do this, I'm just going to save it in my documents. And now here it is in my documents. And I'm going to decide to click, drag, and drop it into my OneDrive. So now in my OneDrive, with a green check mark, is testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Anytime I make revisions to this, it will be backed up to my OneDrive. And currently I only have this in the OneDrive folder, so like I said, if I stop syncing, this will not be on my computer anymore. But as I showed you before, you can always copy and paste it, and you can have 2 copies. But the only one that will continuously update in your OneDrive is this one. And that is about all there is to syncing OneDrive to your PC. There will be more tutorials in the future, and I thank you so much for listening to this one.